Hey everyone, it's Dr. Neil here. Let's talk about Unstoppable You. We're diving into the Daily Dozen Saviors plus 5 Ps program, your blueprint to unlock the most powerful version of yourself. Think of these 12 daily practices as your dream team, each member laser focus on your full potential. Get ready to transform your life one day at a time. Let's do this. Number 1 on our hit list is silence. In a world that's constantly buzzing, silence is your secret weapon. It's not about becoming a monk and disappearing into a cave. It's about carving out a few minutes each day to unplug and reconnect. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and just be present. You'll be amazed at the clarity, focus, and inner peace that silence brings. We're firing up the power of positive self-talk with affirmations. These aren't just feel-good phrases. They're powerful declarations that reprogram your subconscious mind for success. Repeat after me. I am worthy of success. The more you say it, the more you believe it, and the more you become it. Embrace the change. Flex those mental muscles with the power of visualization. This is where your dreams get a high-definition preview. Close your eyes and imagine crushing your goals. See it, feel it, believe it. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Dream big, visualize your way to an extraordinary life. Chapter 4, Investing. Invest in the most valuable asset you have, you. Read, attend seminars, learn new skills, and surround yourself with inspiring people. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become, and the more you offer the world. Chapter 5, Organizing. Declutter your space and unleash the power of organization. A well-organized environment reduces stress, increases productivity, and allows focus on what matters. Trust me, a clutter-free environment is the foundation for a more fulfilling life. Chapter 6, Researching. Unleash your inner explorer with the power of research. Dedicate time daily to dive into something fascinating. Read articles, listen to podcasts, explore subjects. The more you learn, the more you grow and navigate the ever-changing world. Chapter 7. Grab your pen and become the author of your life with scripting. Write your ideal future into existence. Describe your dream day in detail. Scripting aligns your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Chapter 8. Life throws curveballs. But guess what? You're a problem-solving machine. When you encounter a problem, get curious, ask questions, explore perspectives, find creative solutions. Every challenge makes you stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Chapter 9. Unleash your inner powerhouse and get things done. Take action and bring your ideas to life. Set intentions, roll up your sleeves, and make it happen. Chapter 10, Promoting. It's time to step into the spotlight and let your light shine brightly. Connect with others, showcase your talents, and don't be afraid to toot your own horn proudly. The world needs to know all about it. Chapter 11, Profiting. Experience the multifaceted abundance that comes from profiting. It's about fulfilling relationships, meaningful experiences, personal growth, and making a difference. When you live aligned with your values and passions, profit flows effortlessly. Chapter 12, Playing. Unleash your inner child and rediscover the joy of play. Play brings laughter, love, and adventure to life. Live your best life with the Daily Dozen. So there you have it, my school community and YouTube family. The Daily Dozen, Saviors plus 5 Ps, your roadmap to full potential. Start these practices today and watch your life transform. I'm cheering you on every step. Now get out there and create your dream life. I'll see you at the top.